Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Wednesday, November 19th, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. We violated significant support. This is a weekly chart. Yesterday, Tuesday, we actually opened below it. I'll take you to the daily chart. You can see we opened below both the daily and the weekly channel bottom. 185.65 to 185.93. 185.65 is on the weekly chart. 185.93 on the daily chart. I'm going to take this as a sell signal, despite the fact that Tesla has yet to throw off a similar sell signal, that the Triple Q and the SPY are right on the edge of throwing off a similar sell signal. NVIDIA may well lead the way, and there's no reason for me to balk at this. I think we're in a sell signal. So at the very least, you don't want to be long NVIDIA until proven otherwise. And I think the proven otherwise, I'll just jump right to that chart, would be a settlement today, not only above 185.93, but also above 188.07. Now, yes, if we do close back above, let me see here. If we do close back above 185.93, that does neutralize the sell signal. And so if you did go short, you may consider exiting that short position with a settlement today above 185.93. And I do think that implies higher trade as we move through the rest of the year. I'll get to that in a moment. But in terms of, just sort of an aggressive buy, in terms of reversing and going long through the rest of the week and into next, that would be a settlement also today above 188.07. So I have that as a session containment up pivot point. And that is the bullish scenario. Now, we could do this today, and if we do this today, if we do close above 188.07, that reversal is an indication. First off, there's a couple things I want to say about that. One is the fact that is a very clear rejection of a significant classic textbook sell signal. And whenever that happens, you have to respect the market is telling you not so fast, not interested in continuing south into the upper 150s over the next few weeks. And you have to respect that the market will then continue higher. So I've often seen these sell signal failures as equally valid buy signals on the opposite side of the market. So
if you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
If we close above 188.07, 200.68 in reach, potentially by the end of next week. I give that a week or two. And yes, over the next 2 to 3 to 5 weeks, 216.67 is exactly what we're looking at before. It's just that we are now below our 185.65 to 185.93 area. This is a sellable resistance for the day, through the rest of the week, and yes, through the rest of the year, because below which 176.76 in reach, possibly today, 164.07 over the next couple of weeks. And as a 2 to 3 week objective, I'm anticipating 157.71. This is under the assumption that we continue placing daily settlements below 185.65, which will keep 157.71 in reach over the next 2 to 3 weeks. 157.71 spans off that April low earlier this year. This is a 7-8 month channel structure that can contain selling through the first quarter, and from here we can round up into that 219, 228 region within a matter of 2 to 3 months, 3 to 5 at the most. These are long-term wave counts. I can go back to the October 22 low on that. We also have BC. I'll let you do the math here if you like. And so that is let me get back to this chart here before I lose my train of thought. 157.71 I consider to be our long-term support. 185.65 is near to mid-term support. In other words, prior to yesterday's violation, it was anticipating upward rotation, possibly by the end of the year, to 219.64. Having closed below 185.65, now expecting over the next 2 to 3 weeks 157.71, where short positions can be covered, long entry very pursued. As we continue through the first quarter, we can round up from here nicely into the 219, 229 region within a matter of 3 to 5 months or less. And finally, it would be a settlement in the coming weeks below 157.71 that would then set up 118.81 as the next 2 to 3 month target. And this is significant long-term trend support. 118.81 well suited to contain selling through all of 26, and from here we can round up to new highs within a full year or less of testing 118.81. Once again, we are below significant price support. I see no compelling reason to be long right now. You can bottom pick the market on an intraday basis at 176.76, but if you're positioning yourself for the 3 to 5 day out to the 3 to 5 week time frame, it is being short at or below 185.65. Now, if we do close below 185.93, clear rejection of a significant sell signal, and I would then anticipate the 200.68 level within a couple of weeks. In terms of momentum reversal, like I said earlier, that comes with a settlement above 188.07, and this area is narrowing. Later in the week, it'll be even tighter, and so it'll be an easier play. Right now, it's about 2.5 points wide, but closing above 188.07 is your reversal signal. It is your clear indication that this market wants to go higher into next week, 200.68, and by the end of December, 216.67. I hope that all made sense. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. I will be back, of course, tomorrow with Thursday's NVIDIA report, and you have a great day.